A Northamptonshire farmer whose property would be cut in half by the proposed HS2 rail line has mounted a legal challenge he hopes could derail the multi-billion-pound infrastructure project.
Andrew Green is challenging the Transport Secretary to release confidential information on passenger numbers that he says would confirm HS2 is not needed. Elodie Harper reports.
A summer morning on Andy Green's farm, and all you can hear is the birds singing. But it's set to get much noisier. The Northamptonshire farmers' cattle fields and woodland is due to be dug up by HS2, the proposed high-speed rail link between Birmingham and London.
Whereabouts are we standing on this map?
We're standing just about there on the map, and HS2 is going from the corner of the field over there, right across the field to the other corner.
Andy Green is not giving up without a fight. He believes the government has not been honest about the number of passengers using the railways between London and Birmingham and has launched a legal action to find out what the figures are. He hopes the numbers could prove the £50 billion rail link is not good value for money.
We want full release of the passenger loading figures on the West Coast mainline trains so that we can, where the government say it's full to overflowing, we can actually see whether that's true or not. Because what figures have been available so far show that even at peak times, the long distance trains are only just over half full.
The countryside here on the Northamptonshire-Buckinghamshire border would be seriously affected by HS2, and unsurprisingly, everyone wants to protect their backyard.
Local businesses similar to this is based out on small little industrial retail parks. They won't be able to carry on, or the disruption while it's being built, which is over a number of years, cutting off the villages and people's livelihoods and businesses are going to stop. I mean, they won't be able to trade.
The Department for Transport told ITV News that information about passenger numbers is provided to them by train operators on a confidential basis and that it's also commercially sensitive. They added that the Information Commissioner fully supports their decision not to publish this. The Department for Transport went on to say that HS2 will benefit many people across the country.
The Department for Transport said in the past 20 years the number of journeys made on Britain's rail network has doubled. Increases in rail passenger demand on the West Coast Main Line will far outstrip what is possible to squeeze out of the existing network. Andy Green will find out in a month's time whether his legal challenge to find out just how many people do use that network has been successful. Elodie Harper, ITV News.